They accompany toplingo with you, and modal verbs can, may, and could to ask permission. Can is used with friends. Can I borrow your pen, please? Isn't it a friend you're asking to borrow a pen from? May is formal and is used in formal situations. May I open the door, please? You are asking permission from somebody who is higher than you in position or in society. Could is very polite and nice. Could I take your computer for a second, please? So, enjoy this video, use modal verbs politely, and be ready to ask permissions anytime with the help of can, may,